Future Makers.
Let's make a cranky. With this FutureMakers Spark, your learners will tell a scrolling, illustrated story using a cardboard screen machine. They'll integrate engineering, visual, and language art skills to make, design, test, and share what they create. Here's what each learner receives to make a cranky: a die-cut cardboard cranky frame, 2 paper straws, a set of printed stickers, a folded cranky scroll paper, a visual guide, and a reusable, reclosable bag. We encourage you to print a cranky story sheet for each learner to help them sketch and plan prior to making their final project. Your learners will need scissors, pencils, and art supplies to draw and color their story scrolls. You can always create more scrolls with 2 of our printable scroll sheets. Your learners will need scissors and either a glue stick or tape. You can find the free printable online or linked in the slide deck. To start, we'll fold the frame. This takes patience and care. Pop out all the holes. Keep the center rectangles. You can use them to make a stand. Lay the side with the word interior face up. These are the short sides. They have little folding wings with holes. They each have tabs and slots to hold them in place. Fold one short side up and snap the tab in the slot. Do the same with the other short side. It should look like this. Here's the tricky part. Start folding up one long side. Carefully fold and align 2 wings so they lock inside the long side, and snap it into place. Do this for both long sides. You should be able to see through each hole. The word interior should be on the inside. If it's on the outside, unfold your frame and refold it so it's on the inside. Let's make a story scroll. We'll install and test it before drawing our story. Unfold the scroll paper and find one place for attaching a sticker. The sticker is marked 2. Attach one so half is on the paper. Flip them over and center a straw on the exposed adhesive. Press and roll up the sticker. Adjust it if needed. Repeat this for the other end. You'll have an extra sticker just in case. Flip the scroll so printed lines are facing down. Roll one straw against the table so it winds the paper into a tight scroll, all the way to the end. Repeat with the other end. Roll tightly in the opposite direction. Your scroll is ready to install and test. Installing the scroll is tricky, so take your time and go slow. With the printed lines facing down, insert one of the straw ends into a hole on one side of the frame. Gently bend the opposite frame edge to insert the other end. Repeat this for the straw on the other end of the scroll in the corresponding holes. Use 2 hands to turn the straw with the least scrolled paper towards the inside of the frame. This will roll up the scroll. Watch as the other straw unrolls. Use this 2-handed technique to roll one end of the scroll at a time. Always turn in towards the center of the box to make the scroll move. If you turn away, you'll just unwind the scroll, or possibly pull it off the straw. Once you've tested it, reverse the process and carefully remove the scroll, one straw at a time, by flexing the frame. Crankie Contraptions come from a long visual storytelling tradition. Your learners have created a simple machine that turns a scroll to tell an illustrated story sequence, like a theater stage, movie screen, or phone display. Now, we need a story. Designing a story helps learners show a sequence. What happens first, next, and last. It requires some practice writing and rough sketching. Use our Story Sketch printable so your learners can plan clear, engaging sequences or stories. Crankies usually come in two flavors: sequences or narratives. Sequences can show linear or time-based cycles, like a flower growing from a seed. If your learners are illustrating a sequence, their story sketch can help them plan what to show first, any additional steps, and a last step. Narratives have a beginning, an action or change in the middle, and an ending. If your learners are designing a narrative, they can sketch their character, setting, and what happens first, next, and last. Learners love creating stories that have an unexpected twist at the end. Once they have a sequence that works and has received some feedback from you or a peer, they can transfer the illustration sequence to their scroll with pencil and finish it with color. Once their scroll is ready, they can install it in the frame and test it. Making crankies might be challenging for your learners. Ask them questions before offering fixes. Invite other learners to offer expert support. Avoid getting hands-on with their project unless it's necessary. Remind them from the start that this project will belong to them when they're done. Some common challenges learners can help each other solve include: encourage your learners to move their ideas to the scroll with pencil. If they've used up both sides of their scroll, use the printable scroll sheet. They can cut, connect, and create another one. If your scroll won't turn, it may have come loose from the straw. Use the extra sticker or tape to firmly reattach the straw and wind it tight. Sometimes the cardboard corner might tear. If this happens, repair it with your extra sticker or tape. Congratulations on creating a cranky. Every spark your learners make is unique and theirs to keep. They'll remember your project for years to come. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
FutureMakers.